Japanese light car, Cervo, channel. Hello everyone.
This time, let's look at the brightness of the headlights of a light car. I think some people think that the headlights are too dark if the car is small, but I will actually light up the road at night to see how it really is. We will also see how bright the lights can be when the fog lights are turned on at the same time. First, irradiate only the low beam. If only the low beam is lit, the minimum brightness can be kept. However, driving for a long time can strain your eyes. Leave the low beam on and turn on the fog lights at the same time. The low beams and fog lights make the area very bright. When driving for a long time, we recommend that you also turn on the fog lights. Irradiate the high beam. Even though it is a light car, the high beam can be illuminated quite brightly. In Japan, if there is no oncoming vehicle, you need to drive with high beam.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video today.